Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Yellow on Mac. First, you'll need to download the game files. Always choose a reputable source to ensure you get a safe and complete version. Once downloaded, make sure your Mac meets the game's minimum system requirements for smooth performance. Finally, extract all the downloaded files into a dedicated folder on your computer. This keeps everything organized and ready for the next step. To launch the game, navigate to the folder where you extracted the files and find the main application. If your Mac prevents the game from opening due to security settings, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and allow the application to run. You might need to grant specific permissions for the game to access certain folders or functions. Once these steps are complete, you should be ready to start your adventure. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Mac OS is fully updated. Sometimes, older operating system versions can cause compatibility problems. Also, double-check that all game files are present and not corrupted. Redownloading might be necessary. For an enhanced experience, consider connecting a compatible game controller. Many players find this offers more precise control than a keyboard, especially during combat sequences. Now you're all set to dive into the world of Undertale Yellow. Get ready to explore a brand new story, meet memorable characters, and experience fresh gameplay mechanics that expand on the original. Enjoy every moment of your journey through this fan-made prequel. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.